User experience when using Apple Trackpad or Apple Magic Mouse is excellent. Everything is so smooth, ease in, ease out scrolling, simply wonderful. But what a disappointment when you connect to your Mac with some fancy non-Apple mouse. Bang! All the excitement is gone, it's jerky, jumpy, steppy, awful. Apple simply reserves smooth scrolling only for their own hardware. Fortunately for you, I am here to fix it for you in this video. I will show you how to enable smooth scrolling on a non-Apple mouse and even more. Oh, and did I tell you it's absolutely free? Hi, I'm Teresa from MORGONAUT.com and I specialize on one-on-one coaching and remote help to individuals as well as audio and video production houses all around the globe. So if you would need any help with your Apple Mac, Windows, Linux servers, DaVinci Resolve and more, then you can in few clicks schedule a Zoom video meeting with me and a remote session to your computer so I can help you right in front of your eyes. Link is in this video description. I am so grateful to developers like those behind MOS. I'd be happy to guide you through the installation and configuration process right now. Just a quick recap of the problem. If I will use now the Apple Magic Mouse, look how the scrolling is absolutely smooth with the ease in, ease out. That's so beautiful, I love it. But at the same time, if I will use a third-party mouse, look what's gonna happen. Steppy, jumpy, jerky. I don't like it. Thanks God you have me and I will show you right now how to fix it. Navigate to this website or simply click on the link in the video description. Just click on the download now. Save it to your downloads. And let's open it. Drag it to your applications folder. It's really small, it's gonna be just a fraction of a second. And now in your applications, find it and open it. macOS will give you this warning because it's not from the official Apple App Store. Just don't care about it and go to your system settings and security and privacy or privacy and security. You will find it on the bottom and click on open anyway. Yes, I want to open it anyway. You would need to provide the password for your Mac user account and here we go, it's running and here is the setup. Click on next, next, yes, authorization, blah blah blah. We need to give permissions to this application, so just flip the switch, again one more password, bang, now it's running. And it's silently running now in your top bar, the circle icon. So click on it and click on Preferences. Here you can change so many things. One of the most annoying things on macOS is called reverse scrolling. Who the hell called it natural scrolling in the system settings? So here you have the option to simply quickly reverse it. And as you can see, smooth scrolling is enabled. Great news. Perfect. So let's have a look. I will go now to the website using my third-party mouse, some crappy one. And look, I will go back to the previous website. Oh my God! Oh yeah! Smooth scrolling using third-party mouse. Look, that's working. I love it. So if you will go back to the application, you will see there is much more settings you can play with. You can do exceptions. You know, some applications you want smooth scrolling, some not. That's absolutely beautiful. Shortcuts. You can change the steps, speed, duration, blah, blah, blah. I love this application. And it's for free. So thanks to those amazing developers. Let me know in the comments below how is your personal experience with using third-party non-Apple accessories. If you found my video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can stay updated on my future videos. And if you are searching for useful computer stuff and tips and tricks, this one is perfect for you to watch right now. So, see you in the next one. Bye-bye, take care.